si Doc Joseph.
May bisita
Bibigyan ko
yata
sana ng rambutan eh, kaso hindi ko makita.
Asa si Doc?
Asa
Si Doc
ba?
Joseph kasi may kasamang special guest tayo para sa ikonsulta mo.
Ayun!
Madali ako nakakato kasi may special guest. Ang layo-layo pang pinanggalan. Ay, pasok na tayo, Ma'am Sheila. Have a seat. Yan, we have special.
Good to sit down.
Yan.
Good morning po. Dito ka.
Sino kasama mo?
Ay, kasama natin ang mga mga researcher at
Dito
may
tayo.
mga found some substance or mga oncologic organic substance na nakita nila na nakakatulong sa cancer. No? Siguro, Ma'am Sheila, can you tell us how in history na how you came about this oncologic organic?
Siyempre, Doc Joseph, before we
Yes.
let them talk, siyempre, welcome muna natin
Oo,
sila,
oo.
si Ma'am Sheila Tirun, ang researcher. Na doon nga po sa sinasabi ni Doc Joseph tungkol dyan sa Oncologic Organics for Cancer Program. Good morning po and
Good
welcome
morning
to
po.
our house.
Yes.
And of course,
Thank
good
you so
morning,
much.
Sir Gigo.
Gigo, yes.
Gigo Heredia. Isa din po siyang researcher.
Gigo.
Gigo and
Ay, Diego.
Diego, I mean,
Good
So, right.
morning. Welcome to our house.
Morning.
All right,
Sige.
Doc Joseph,
So
your
how,
question.
How did this oncologic organic came about?
Actually, kasi our business is sa mga fruits, mga fruit fillings, mga jams, glazes, And because of the availability of different berries, different ingredients, naging passion ko na yung paggawa ng mga juices. Until, siguro mga 5 years ago, I decided to make a juice sa mga diabetic na tao. So with that, you need to further study yung mga berries, alin ba dito yung kanilang, mabababa yung mga glycemic index, mga matataas ang fiber. Sa kaka-research ng mga iba't ibang mga berries, I fell in love with one berry na napakaganda niya. Kakaiba siya sa mga lahat ng mga berries. And in the middle of my research, nakakalungkot na my sister was diagnosed with cervical cancer. Oo. And I was really terrified nung malaman ko na meron siyang ganun kasi my mom died with lung cancer. So, I promise, sabi ko, I will not cry anymore and I will not release the same tears sa nanay ko at dito sa ate ko. So, of course, we are following the protocol at the treatment ng mga doctors and lalong naging malalim yung pagre-research ko to find a products to complement yung mga treatment na ginagawa ng mga doctors sa kanya. And yun sa pagre-research, tinawag ko na yung mga kasamahan ko, mga researcher, mga doctors and researchers, help me because I don't want to see my sister na ganito. Hanggang nakabuo kami ng mga products and little by little, yung mga katabing lugar natin, mga kababayan natin, kalugar namin doon sa probinsya namin, na mga may cancer, we also gave products sa kanila.
Ay, na-try nila.
Na-try nila and we evaluate din kasi siyempre in-house evaluation yung ginawa namin. Ang ganda-ganda ng mga improvements. Ang ganda-ganda ng improvements. And then, of course, we wanted na yung product sana mailabas, ganyan. But we are not doctors and we are not the credible person to speak for that products. Lalo na kung...
And to validate the effects.
Yeah, we need to validate din, di ba? Yung mga talagang mga credible na tao like doctor. So, with that, I asked the help of Dr. Joseph. Sabi ko,
Lee.
tulungan mo naman kami. Evaluate mo, magkuha tayo ng patients.
good.
Ganito, mag-clinical trials tayo sa mga ganito. And I think, Doc, malapit na tayong matapos doon.
Yeah, we're going into our last few months. Then we'll get the results. Kasi siguro maganda, Ma'am Sheila, malaman sa kanila, Diego, na how did you came about choosing this substance particular organic substance na feeling mo na nakatulong sa sister mo kasi what happened to your mother is something that is emotionally very depressing at that time. So siguro yung pagtulong mo sa sister mo na also have cancer stricken because of cervix, no? How do you found out na yung mga oncologic organic substance
Yes.
mo na within your home base na ito ay makakatulong at na mixture mo that it came out na ito baka pwede,
Oo.
then itinransfer mo for a very big clinical trial
We started noon, we believe na syempre sa pagre-research and different suggestions, different knowledge na rin, we believe na there is a war inside the body. May gera sa loob ng katawan eh. And kung paano mo lalabanan yung gera na yon, one soldier cannot attend the war. You need not only one battalion but with different strategies of battalions. Merong lalaban dito, merong lalaban doon, merong lalaban dito, may magpo-protect dito. So that is the philosophy behind nung pagde-develop ng mga product ng oncologic organic natin.
What about si Sir Gigo po? What is your participation about this
I do the research on the products that passed on to me. But cancer is a very sly disease, And when they say they cannot find the cure, why are they looking for one cure? So ang ginawa namin parang Avengers team ito. Because cancer actually is 100 types of diseases in your body. So you also have to have a strategy that will address that. So it cannot be the same kasi yung cancer ng isang tao ibang-iba po.
Exactly.
That's why it could be genetic, it could be lifestyle or what. So the mechanisms are almost the same, but for each person it is unique. So they have to have a multiple strategy cancer protocol. That's what we do.
Saka what is remarkable, Angela, Diego, So when I came into the picture, yung mga oncologic organic substance nila na parang andoon na lahat yung mga research na ginawa nila, it has been pre-arranged.
Yes.
So ang ginawa ko lang is like, wow, parang ito yung mga ang tagal-tagal na mga tao na pag-aralan or parang hindi lang
din kami ng almost 4 years.
Yeah, oo. Hindi lang napansin. So when you start compiling and trying to see na parang sinasabi mo, pag sinama-sama mo tong mga oncologic organic, it makes sense. Oo. So siguro parang nakakatulong siguro when you try to see yung mga essential elements na nagagawa, Kasi gusto ko lang siguro, Angel, tanungin kay Ma'am Sheila. Tsaka kay Jigo. Has you given this to anybody of your closest friend or colleagues na have approached you about your little na parang
humble knowledge.
Parang yung nakita ninyo na parang baka bigyan mo naman kami ng sample niyan o yung mga pinaggagawa, what's cooking at your backyard,
Yes.
Have you ever tried it to them, yung mga lung cancer?
Yes, significant na rin yung mga numbers. Mula 4 years ago, significant na rin yung mga numbers na nakatry ng mga products natin. And yun nga, syempre, we need to watch over yung mga tao. Ano ba yung effect niyan? Ano ba yung nararamdaman mo? So, yung improvement, I would say siguro, on my personal, personal evaluation, I don't know kay Dr. Joseph, kay Doc Joseph. In my personal evaluation, dun sa mga taong na nabibigyan natin ng product, siguro kahit pa paano nasa above 70 to 80% naman.
It's a process kasi. I mean,
let's talk about the
any
program.
improvement will be good. Ang goal natin is to have better quality of life for the patient. Number one, pain. We had actually patient recently, sa umpisa, ang hirap inumin yung mga products. He was given weeks to live. Ngayon, nagmamaneho na.
Really?
He's not out of the woods, no?
Yeah.
But the thing is, it's a process. So any improvement will be fine. We don't know if it's going to cure him or what. Well, that's the point. We don't know. Okay?
But yung each product, you said nga po, different person, different type of kung paano siya gagaling, whatsoever. Doon po ba sa mga pinagbibigyan niyo po para po matry nila itong product niyo, iba-iba din po?
Iba-iba, variety of
ano pong mga type of cancers na po yung nabigyan po nitong certain product niyo?
Meron po tayo
program.
mga lung cancer, non-small cell carcinoma, mga adenocarcinoma,
Breast cancer.
colon, prostate, cervical, myeloma, yung mga
Yeah.
may myeloma, yung mga leukemia, ganon, brain.
Yeah.
So mga iba't iba na rin silang mga iba't ibang mga type of cancer. We are not really specific kung anong cancer lang.
Yes.
Kasi we don't care kung anong cancer yung meron yung isang patient. What we care about is how to help his own cells para tumulong na rin, palakasin natin yung kanyang mga cells para tulungan niya kung ano yung may problema sa loob. Kasi we believe also na yung mga natitirang mga malalakas na cells doon, kailangan na natin silang i-preserve. Kailangan natin silang i-preserve. Oo.
Kasi when they do chemo, namamatay din yung healthy cells. Diba?
Parang
That's
ganun
why.
po ang nangyayari.
So ang
Opo.
pasok po nito is to help the healthy cells na maging healthier pa.
Maging healthier pa para
Oo.
mag-reproduce pa sila ng mas marami kung kanilang healthy. Kasi yun nga, parang a war is not, hindi naman napapanalo ang isang war sa isang bombahan lang. Parang gano'n ang paningin natin, ano? Doon yung mga philosophy o yung mga pananaw natin sa normal na nangyayari sa buhay natin. Hindi naman kasi example, hindi naman yung lahat ng nasa Zamboanga ay Abu Sayyaf.
Yes.
Parang ganon. So, we need to select sino lang. Parang ganon.
But ma'am and sir, this type of program po ba, ilang araw or ilang
Yeah.
weeks siya
Well,
before it can take
goes
effect?
it will take a long time, no? Ang sabi nga nila for how long you have had the disease, it's 1 month per year. It takes about 8 to 12 years. So for cancer, so maka 12 months, parang ganun din. Might take a year also for you to get back.
Yeah.
So
Ang maganda kasi niyan, Angel, kasi overview when you try to see is like you take away, improve the normal cells, you improve the condition of or the morbidity. When you say
Yes.
morbidity in cancer, kasi after even treatment, so no, we will try to see if all these complementary oncologic organics. That's why we came into this clinical trials. Kung makakatulong siya. Less of the say that we are giving in or giving off to yung chemotherapy or radiation.
yes. So,
andun pa rin yun.
andun pa rin
But
yun.
what we're saying, we built the individual to make them
Parang
functional.
support system ba?
Yes, exactly.
Complementary siya.
Yeah.
Complementary po siya sa yung mga patient na nagkikimo, radiation. It is a complementary products.
Last na po.
Alam mo, you must remember that some of the things in the protocol have been around for almost 100 years. One phase of ours, 1905 pa na-discover yan. And in India, 1970s, they've been using that. So this is not just plucked from the thin air.
Yeah.
This is backed up by a lot of clinical studies and real research. The thing is, the failure of those alone, ang batting average niya mag-isa, alone, like for example, enzymes, is low. But when you put the Avengers together, your outcomes are improved. Just because you have more simultaneous
sense.
synergistic strategies.
Yeah, makes sense. But does it come po in liquid form or tablet?
Ano po, bali nasa
This
capsule,
program.
capsule siya, naka-capsule siya. At saka meron din tayong liquid form, yung juice natin.
Okay.
We'll be hearing more
May juice,
of this
yeah.
of this
But basically, it's,
oncologic organics for cancer
Supporting the immune
program.
system. The ways of nature are always the same. If you want to be healthy, you have to eat well. You want to go back to health, you also have to eat well. So it's just the same track of the same train. I mean, we
makes
just follow the ways that the body needs, no? Nutrition, supporting the immune system.
Parang ano lang yan, parang isang quote a person daw under medication needs nutrition. Pero yung isang tao naman na okay naman ng nutrition, baka hindi mo na kailangan ng medication.
Ayan. On that note, Doc Joseph.
On that
thank-
note, we like to thank Ma'am Sheila Tiru and Digo Heredia for giving us new knowledge regarding oncologic organics.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
For that very informative discussion, no? It's nice to know that there are these things we can do.
We
And
have
of course, may
options.
mga ibang bagay tulad ng exercise and other things. no?
Health is mind, body, and spirit. Okay? So, take care of your body, take care of your
Mind.
spirit, take care of your mind. Whole yan eh. If you're stressed, paano ka, di ba? I mean, ganun yun. If you're not at peace with somebody, meron kang mahirap. Yung mga cancer patients namin sa interview, I asked them, the first thing I asked them, meron ka bang hinanakit sa Is there something, ha? Okay? We have to heal all aspects of the human body.